So I've done the digging part. It's yeah, and in life, people, don't sweat the small stuff. No need crying over spilt milk. So I've done the digging part. We've got some flowers to put in, and a few seeds as well. I'm going to put in some snow peas. Now, I don't have a trellis or anything, but hey, you do with what you've got. And as you can see, the beans are going along smoothly. So I've got a $2 chuck out pot of that, so it's probably not quite deep enough. We've got lobelias. They're good at getting shit out of pots, eh? But they're coming out slowly but surely. Yep, that'll do. I'm going to plant them deep because the soil that's got to go over the top. Any hard rocks you've got to break down a little bit for small shit like that. Remember, the idea of this is to plant stuff close together so it discourages weeds as well, which there will be a few to begin with. The grass will probably try and come back and so forth. So, and the problem is I've got is I'm not here all the time. So I'm just hoping that we get some rain while I'm gone to keep it mowed, keep it watered. And of course, my veggies, the beans and so forth, are harvesting. Then I've got to work out something to cook to show you what to do with it. Although beans are good, you can just eat them raw, but like a honey and sesame, something to that effect, eh? Put one of them in there. Yeah, that's one done. One to go. Petunias. Yeah, I was a bit annoyed the other week when I bought the petunias. Bought seeds for them. Just to find out the packet, which is supposed to have 50 seeds, only had 1 seed in it. But these had a bit of different colour. These are supposed to be red and white. So, come to think of it, I probably didn't dig enough area. But last one. So all done. Take my gloves off for a second. So I can sprinkle seeds around. We'll start with the Asiliums. Doesn't feel like there's many in that, is there? Make sure there's none stuck in that top bit. There's a couple there. Yeah, we'll do that. I'm not going to do the cucumbers now. I might just do the beans. I'll do cucumbers next time. Or should I do it the other way? Oh, yeah, I'll do it now, eh? I've got the beans. Beans can replace peas for now. I think it's cucumbers. Or is it capsicums I've got? Oh yeah, it's cucumbers. Yeah, I'll do the cucumbers. Cucumbers are a vine, it'll just spread everywhere. There, that's the lazy way to garden. So the problem is, with those seedlings that I've put in, I can't really bulk the soil over the top. If it was seeds only, I could. So all I'm going to do is use cheap ass soil mix, which is, yeah, cheap ass. And just spread it around over the top. I'll be a bit more gentle because I don't want to wreck my seedlings like I would normally do, probably. It's not really soil, is it? But it's going to do the job. a bit of organic mixture in with it. It'll help keep so the soil doesn't bunch up as much and go hard and clayey again, eh? The other thing we can do, which I'll do next time maybe, is plant radishes. Because radishes help loosen up the soil too. My problem is I get impatient. This just takes too long for me, eh? But I'm getting it done. It's all done. So all that's left now is to water it. And as you can see, even though I do things haphazard, it gets it done and it works. So no need to be all technical with how you do your garden. So yeah, in about 3 weeks I'm going to update this and you can see where it's at. I'm going to be away for a while, so it's not going to get watered while I'm gone. So hopefully it all survives, eh? Ciao.